Once upon a time in a small town there was a sweet old lady who loved her grandchildren very much. She was really good at making special sweaters for them using her hands. These sweaters were so nice that everyone in town liked them a lot. The grandma's family was a good one, but her grandkids often argued and fought with each other. This made their grandma sad. One day she decided to do something about it. She took them to see the wisest person in town, hoping they could learn something important. When they met the wise person, he told them a story. It was about 3 birds who were different from each other but lived happily together. One day, when a big storm came, the birds realized that they needed each other's help. They worked together and built a safe nest to stay dry and safe. Listening to the story, the grandchildren understood that their fights made their family weak. They promised to stop arguing and to appreciate each other's differences. They wanted to be like the birds in the story, helping each other instead of fighting. From that day on, whenever they disagreed, they remembered the story of the birds. They learned to understand and respect each other. Slowly, they became closer as a family. Their grandma was really happy to see her grandchildren getting along and having fun together. The town still loved the grandma's sweaters, but now they knew they were more than just clothes. They carried a lesson about being kind and working together as a family.